Welcome to the Shrimpy Weekly Newsletter, a place for staying up to date on the latest trends, news, and events in the cryptocurrency industry. Coinbase was the highlight of Nasdaq's opening bell on Wednesday as the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange officially began trading under the Coin ticker. The company's first day was incredibly volatile as Coin opened at $381 and rose to $429 before ending the session at $328. Despite the fact that Nasdaq gave Coinbase a reference price of $250, no trades were executed at that price. Coinbase's direct listing has positively affected cryptocurrency markets all across the board, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum hitting all-time highs. After consolidating for nearly 3 months, Bitcoin broke its former all-time high and established a new one after reaching $64,890 on Wednesday. Following bullish news set by Coinbase's listing on the stock market, buyers finally stepped in and taken control over the market. Experts suggest that Bitcoin entered another price discovery mode and that Bitcoin could potentially continue its path if support levels around $60,000 hold up. Chainlink co-founder Sergey Nazarov released a new version of the Decentralized Oracle's white paper and announced several upcoming features which are a part of the project's next iteration. Decentralized Oracle networks represent the biggest feature publicly announced so far. They are off-chain second-layer networks, meaning that they store and compute data outside blockchain networks before transferring the final information to oracles. These networks have the potential to significantly decrease the cost of requesting oracle data. Voting results from the U.S. Senate reveal that Gary Gensler is the next chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Gensler was originally nominated by President Joe Biden in January, and he previously ran the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Since the SEC is a serious regulator that can disrupt the crypto market, investors are waiting to find out whether the new chairman is acceptive of cryptocurrencies or not. Last month, Gensler complimented the innovative side of digital assets, but brought attention to the issues that new investors face. Financial services firm Galaxy Digital has filed an application to the Securities and Exchange Commission for a Bitcoin ETF. If approved, it would be the first investment vehicle of this sort in the US market. The SEC currently reviews 2 similar applications, and in the meantime, an additional 6 companies have filed a request. However, it is uncertain whether the regulator will approve the request, given that it has denied dozens of Bitcoin ETFs in the past. The Ethereum developer team launched the Berlin hard fork on Thursday. The new network upgrade will supposedly improve the state of gas fees and enable new transaction types. The upgrade consists of 4 separate Ethereum improvement proposals in total, which primarily brings changes to transactions. However, users still anticipate a much more important network upgrade called the London hard fork, which brings controversial changes to Ethereum's fee structure. If you're enjoying getting your crypto news so far, go ahead and hit that like button and click the red subscribe button to join our crypto community. This week's bearish news. Bitcoin funds stolen in BITFINEX moved during Coinbase listing. $623 million worth of Bitcoin from the 2016 BITFINEX hack moved on Wednesday as all eyes were set on Coinbase's Nasdaq listing. Hackers have highly likely decided to move their funds during the big event to attract as little attention as possible. The new transaction accounts for only 10% of the total stolen funds. Mike Novogratz warns against a possible pullback. Famous Bitcoin bull and Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz warned the market against a possible washout as a result of heightened frenzy. Novogratz attributed his beliefs to a price spike in weird coins such as Dogecoin and XRP. Despite calling for a pullback, Novogratz believes that a crash will only last temporarily. Open Ethereum encounters error after Berlin hard fork. A consensus issue arose on Open Ethereum after the new hard fork's launch, which resulted in 12% of Ethereum's nodes being affected by the bug. Developers have resolved the issues several hours after the first report. Coinbase decided to disable all ETH withdrawals before the bug was fixed. According to a report from Bloomberg, the European Union plans to settle, trade, and sell digital bots using blockchain technology. The European Investment Bank has tasked Goldman Sachs, Societe Generale, and Banco Santander to assess the possibility of processing digital bonds using the disruptive technology. The report notes that several investor meetings will take place starting from April 15th. However, Bloomberg's source has no information as to when the digital bonds could launch. Ethereum-focused software firm Consensus has raised $65 million in funds during an investment round joined by JP Morgan, UBS, MasterCard, and several firms from the DeFi sector. These DeFi firms include Alameda Research, Filecoin's Protocol Labs, the LAO, DeFi's Maker Foundation, and 5 other entities. According to Consensus, some firms have decided to join the funding round by investing via DAI and USDC stablecoins. The good news. By the end of Q1, investors have staked $9 billion worth of assets in Ethereum 2.0. The 4th largest bank in Thailand is exploring an entrance into the DeFi market by launching a project named Cubix. Telegram is coming close to repaying all of its ton investors who have participated in a controversial $1.7 billion ICO. The bad news. Lending protocol Celsius has suffered a data breach after which users have reported receiving spam emails and phishing text. Mining machine producer Canaan reported a 75% drop in revenue for Q4 as a supply chain disruption prevented it from capitalizing on Bitcoin's bull run. Bitcoin-focused funds met a sharp decline in new inflows, which may indicate that institutional investors are interested in other digital assets. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more crypto content. You can find us on Instagram and Twitter at Shrimpy App and on our blog at blog.shrimpy.io. And don't forget to head to the link in our description box to get access to our updated white paper.